Consider making money using a brand new copy and paste approach that requires no skill and experience. In fact, you won't need to do any job at all and you may start generating money online right away. Now, we're not just talking about small changes or cents, we're talking about literally hundreds of dollars with today's method, and that is what makes this method the best method among the reservoir of methods. You can do this method an unlimited number of times, and the idea of today's method is very simple. All we need to do is use big articles and then simply copy and paste, and just like that, you can already make a lot of money. We're gonna walk you through this entire method step by step, so make sure you watch the entire video from start to finish so you don't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip ahead so you don't miss any important details, because if you skip ahead, chances are you won't get the desired result. All you need is a phone or a computer, and of course, you can do this both in your Android and iOS devices. This method is available worldwide, and again, it is 100% free. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, the first thing that we want you to do is go to google.com and then look up Bing, and then click on the first search result that comes up. From there, you'll be brought to this page right here called bing.com. Basically, this works just like Google. It is also a search engine just like Google, where you can look up basically anything. Next, type in articles and then hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, Microsoft Bing will bring up some search results of just random articles, and you will see at least 1,000 really, just like how Google works as well. So these are all the results based on what you looked up. Here are some examples of the search results, just different random articles, because we didn't specify what type of articles we were looking for, so Bing just gave us random ones. Let's put it aside for now, because we want to show you another website that's right here in front of your screens. Don't worry, I'll share the secret link in a bit, because I want to show you first how great this website is, and so you can do it yourself and make some money. To go to their website, type in the link that I'm gonna share with you later, and it should send you here. What this website does is basically pay you to write or generate articles. Now, don't worry, you won't have to write or construct any of your own articles from scratch, and if you want to learn how to do so, keep watching. Anyway, we have had methods like this on this channel before, but this is a brand new website that pays you to create an article that we've recently discovered, and we also discovered that it pays so much more than our previous website that paid you to do exactly the same thing. So with that, of course, we had to share it with our newcomers, and with that, I would like to know where you guys are from. So be sure to comment down below because we'd love to know. Also, please leave a comment below and tell us what you like best about the channel so far. Now, this is a great website, and not a lot of people know about this method yet because it's still relatively new. So it is basically a big secret. As you can see, people are getting paid $80, $125, and even $500. Now that is a lot of money being paid out every single day, and a lot of opportunities, and you can do as much as you want in a day. So let us say you can earn $500 every single day, and all you need to do is press a few buttons, to press a few clicks, a few stuff, copy and paste a few words, and that is literally it. So to share the link of today's first website, just type in SEOclerks.com and follow what we suggested and earn money online. So we'll show you how to sign up for this in a minute, but for now, let us move on to the next website. So the next website is gonna be Conquer, and to get to that website, just type in conquer.io. Now, that is spelled with a K and not C-O-Q. That is Konker.io, and basically, when you look up content creation, you'll see all of the listings of writing articles, and people are getting paid a lot in this website too, and you can learn from here just by creating articles as well, just like in SEO Clerks. Now you can sign up in both SEO Clerks and Conquer for free, and if you actually combine the two, you could be making over $100 every single day, and all just by copy pasting, which is absolutely insane. Now, if we click on this button where it says Make Money Promoting or Selling Services, it'll pop up this box where it says Make Money Selling and Promoting Services on Conquer. And right here are the indicated benefits. So we got like super low fees, lowest fee on any freelance marketplace, 5% affiliate commission on entire market, collect 17.5% of whatever you promote, make extra from your traffic, keep 95% of sales from people you send to your store, and get 17.5% of anything else that they buy, increase sales, create coupons, specials, and custom affiliate deals to increase sales, and no hardcore advertising. Your services get actively promoted by thousands of affiliates, and if you think that's great, you may sign up right here and fill out all the necessary information that they need. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, Conquer doesn't pay out as much as SEO Clerks, but as I previously stated, if you combine the two, you'll be unbeatable. Now, return to Bing and then click on the tiny dot in the upper left corner and pick News. You'll immediately see all of the news stories on Bing, and you won't need to go anywhere else because everything you need is right here. Now, before we go, we want you to visit another website called Ezine Articles, which is written E-Z-I-N-E articles.com. And this website currently has a lot of entirely free new items. You may think that these are copyright-free articles on themes ranging from A to Z that you can use for anything, anywhere, and by anyone. It is totally ridiculous, so just scroll down a bit here and say you want to contribute a business essay, for example. So let's choose business right here, and it will take you to this page where you'll see all of the business-related articles right here. And you can choose from any of these business-related articles, and you can sell them in both of the websites that we just showed you, SEO Clerks and Conquer.io. Now, of course, since these articles are copyright-free, it just means that it is overused, and a lot of people have probably already used these articles, and we wouldn't want to have the same articles as everyone else, correct? So now we're gonna show you the ultimate way to get away from everyone else using the same exact articles, and probably not even selling any more by getting a copyright-free article and making it your own in just a push of a button. Now, for example, let's choose this article right here. Okay, it will take you to the entire article right now, and you will want to copy all of your favorite parts of the article, or just copy the entire thing, it doesn't matter, and then go to prepostseo.com, and boom, this is where you should find yourself. As you can see, empowering over 95 free online tools, Prepost SEO helping millions of webmasters, students, teachers, and SEO experts every single month. You can choose Articles Rewriter right here, and as you can see, there is like a paraphrasing tool, but that is not what we want. We want to click on the Article Rewriter because that is exactly what we're looking for. Then it will take you to this page. To use this Article Rewriter article spinner, please copy and paste text in the input box below or select a file to upload, and then click on the Rewrite Article button. So you'll see two boxes, and all you need to do is space where you copied or upload what you downloaded under the original content box, and then hit on Rewrite Article, and boom, that will immediately rewrite the whole article for you in a snap. You can copy the new version of the article and go ahead and submit it on News and get articles from there and have it rewritten so that you can also get articles from Bing and it will be just like your own. So what are you waiting for? Start using this method right now and earn money as you've never earned before. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.